Okay, now that we've learned about present progressive tense and past progressive tense, now we're going to tackle future progressive tense. Okay, so I'm going to make a little chart. I'm going to write my name to start out with, and then I'm going to make a little chart over here of to be because I think it will be helpful for me. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make a little B chart. So this is going to be the pronoun I, he, she, it, you, we, they. And then we're going to put them in past, present, and this part's going to be future. So this is past, present, and this is future. Okay? So I'm going to just divide this up a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. So if I said I was tired, she was tired, you were tired, we were tired, they were tired. Okay, that's the past version of to be. If we were going to say present, I would say I am tired right now. She is tired right now. You are tired. We are tired. And they are tired. All right. And then the last part is pretty easy because the future will be, she will be, you will be, we will be, they will be. All of them have will be. Okay? So, when we're using the progressive forms of verbs to show action that continues over time. To make the progressive form of the verb, add ing to the present tense form of the main verb. Use a form of be as a helping verb. For future progressive, you use will be as the helping verb. Okay, so here are our examples. Present, remember we use the present, this middle one, and ing on the end of the verb. So our example is, I am learning about the city. That means it's continuing. Your learning is not ending. It's continuing indefinitely. Past progressive, we use the past over here, I was missing my family. It's continuing on, but it continued on in the past. I was missing my family when I was 5. Like, it just is continuing on indefinitely in the past. And then in the future progressive, I will be remembering my visit. So again, we add ing to all of these. That's sort of the secret sauce for progressive tense is plus I, N, G on everybody. Right? That's classic progressive. Okay? So we're going to write the sentences, change each underlined verb into a progressive form, use the progressive form identified in parentheses. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky. That's why there's fewer of them. The stakes are higher. So we're going to change this into present. We have I visit my cousins. I, present, is am. So I'm going to caret in am. And we have to add ing on visiting, right? So we're going to write I am visiting my cousins in Chicago. Period. This little chart came in handy. It took a few minutes, but it's handy to use. Let's look at number 2. The streets overflow with traffic and people. We're again using the present, so we're in the middle. Streets are going to be they, right? Are. So we're going to say the streets are overflowing with traffic and people. I'm going to start up here because my writing is really big. The streets are overflowing with traffic and people. Okay, looks good. Let's look at number 3. The crowds will stay until late in the evening. We need future progressive, so we're going to be will be. Will be. The crowds will be, and this has to be staying until late in the evening. Okay, looks good. Last one. Now we need past progressive. Remember, past is in this first column of our to be chart. I plan to go home on Sunday, but now I want to stay longer. So we're going to say I was, and instead of planned, we're going to say planning. I was planning to go home on Sunday, but now I want to stay longer. Okay. Oh, exclamation mark on that. Okay. So hopefully you understand the progressive tense a little bit better. There are 3 different versions of progressive tense: past progressive, present progressive, and future progressive. And progressive just means it's currently happening, right? So it's currently happening right now. That's what progressive means. All right. Hope this helped you to figure out the tenses, and I will talk to you later.